Good morning. How may I assist you, ma'am?
Hello, I want to laundry my clothes, please.
Alright, would you like to fill the laundry list first? Alright, Mrs. Sarah. So you have two pieces of laundry. The first is polo shirt and you also have a trousers. Because you choose a regular delivery, so today now is 8 a.m. So it will be returned later at 6 p.m. on the same day.